Before kissing a girl for the first time, take some time to get to know her and make sure she's okay with it. Try flirting with her, complimenting her, or even giving her some light touches on her arm or shoulder, and check how she responds. If she laughs and smiles a lot, flirts back, or leans in close when you're talking to her, then there's a good chance she's interested. It's also a good idea to wait for the right moment before making your move. Try to choose a time when you're both relaxed and in a good mood, like at the end of a fun date. If you feel like the time is right, ask her if it's okay to kiss her. Say something like, "I really want to kiss you right now. Is that okay?" If she says yes, slowly bring your face close to hers. Then close your eyes right before your lips touch. Tilt your head to one side slightly so your nose doesn't bump into hers. If you want, you can also gently cup her face with your hand. Keep your lips relaxed and slightly parted, then gently press your lips against hers. After a few seconds, slowly pull away and open your eyes to end the kiss. Or if she seems really into it, you can keep the kiss going longer. Just don't forget to breathe through your nose while you hold the kiss.